Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Farid. I am from Group 3. This is my teammate Nurul Nadia, Azmeer and Suffian. Today we are going to present about financial accounting and reporting of a sole proprietorship business. For the introduction, Nashaz Bakery is a well-known bakery located at Lot 1330 Jalan Bestari, 1/3 Melimau near Melaka. The bakery is famous for its delicious and high-quality baked product, including cakes, pastries, bread, and other desserts. The bakery was founded on the 1st March 2023, founded by Puan Nashaz Abdullah, who had a passionate in baking industry and aimed to create a bakery that would offer the best quality product to its customers. One of the unique features in Nashaz Bakery is that it uses only the finest and freshest ingredients in its product. The bakers finding their resource ingredient from local supplier who can provide freshly stocked daily. This will ensure that the finishing product are always in the highest quality and tasty. Nashaz Bakery start her business operation of the company with 50,000 ringgit as capital in cash, and some display furniture and machine have been brought into her company for a business purpose. A van also have been brought into the business worth 25,000 ringgit. The objective for Nashaz Bakery is targeting to be a well-known pastry company that sold a very high quality and taste pastry in Malaysia. In the future, Nashaz Bakery also target to open another branch in Indonesia because of a low cost required to run business at that country and also high demand in bakers industry. For the vision, Nashaz Bakery vision is to become the leading bakery in the region, offering high quality baked goods that exceed customer expectation. For the mission, Nashaz Bakery mission is to provide customer with the freshest and most delicious baked goods possible, using only the finest ingredient and traditional baking techniques. The bakery aims to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere for its customer, where they can enjoy their favorite treats with friends and family.
Okay, thank you, Farid, for the explanation. I am Nurul Nadia. I will now proceed to the business characteristics. As the business type is sole proprietorship, so first of all, Nashaz Bakery has unlimited liability, which means that the business and its owner are considered a single entity. So in the event of loss, any capital from the business would be seized, as could any personal assets that could contribute to cover the debt. Second one is profit and risk. All of the profit gain and risk will go to Mrs. Nasha as the owner of the business. So consequently, there is no protection for her company or personal assets if any risk happens, which means that if her business declares bankruptcy, all of the debts will go to the owner of the business to settle. For example, a lawsuit from employee due to injuries from a machine breakdown. If Mrs. Nasha couldn't settle the lawsuit within a certain time, her business will be affected and the operation may be forced to shut down. Number 3 is economic activity. Nashaz Bakery provides more employment opportunities in different working sectors such as baking sector, as the main scope productions output. Marketing sector is to promote products through various platforms, and also management operations that handle the process of the organization in business. In addition, it provides a source of income and also sustainability to the society, hence leading the growth to the economy cycle. Number 4 is uncertainties. The business owner must be prepared for the unpredictable changes in trends and tastes of customers. As the world faced a pandemic, the economics went down and people were getting creative by creating various menus on videos apps such as TikTok and Facebook because they were urged to stay at home and reduce infection rates. Next, customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is the ultimate goal achieved of all customers, of all business activities. Nashaz Bakery believes that to gain satisfaction from the customers, they must maintain a good quality product. Number 6 is government control. Any business type of organization is subject to government control. So Nashaz Bakery must follow the rules under Food Act 1983 that was created by the government. Also, the owner must have a license before opening any business and has to pay taxes to the government every year. The last one is creativity. This business hired a content creator to create a new content by promoting and selling product through social media and collected the reviews of the product and post online to attract customers. Okay, thank you. So Suffian can proceed with the classification of business item.
Okay, thank you for the explanation. Okay, my name is Muhammad Suffian. I will proceed with the classification item in businesses. There are 5 classification in businesses, which is asset, liability, capital, and expenses. This classification is important because it helps businesses to track and analyze their financial transaction and activities. Okay, we going one by one. First of all is asset. Okay, the asset in Nashaz Bakery is it has cash at bank, fitting and machine, van for to do delivery service, office equipment like computer, table, chair and printer, chilling and freezer to store the bakery product at low temperature, and furniture to stock ingredient. Okay, next is liability. Jati baking ingredients, baker choice ingredients, store, King Hill Sdn Bhd, Tuan Ho Electrical Sdn Bhd, and Seng Furniture and Construction. This is all the account payable that need Puan Nasha to pay off. Okay, next is expenses. For example, is stock purchases for raw material, rental to the landlord, salaries, APF SOCSO is to pay to the staff monthly, renovation and maintenance is for the production to make sure the machine are going smooth production, opening inventory, van service like inspection at Puspakom, fuel for the delivery lah service. Next is revenue. Puan Nasha Bakery 100% depends on the physical sales monthly. Okay. And lastly, owner equity. Okay, the capital is Puan Nasha deposit 60,000 cash into her business as a model. And during Puan Nasha withdraw 2,000 some cash for her personal use. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you for the explanation. So my name is Azmeer. I will explain about the recording process of the business. The recording process of the business involves several steps that ensure that all financial transactions are accurately and consistently recorded. So to keep track business financial activities, the business need to set up an accounting system, either choosing accounting software or using manual bookkeeping. So for this business, Puan Nashaz prefer to use manual bookkeeping method. Here is a general overview of how it typically records its financial transaction by using accounting process. So for the first step, identify the transaction. Each financial transaction must be identified and documented. This could be a sale, purchase, a loan, a payment, or any other financial activities. Second, move to the journal entry. Once a transaction has been identified, a journal entry is created. This entry includes the date of transaction, description of the transaction, and the amount involved. And we move to the ledger account. After a journal entry has been created, it goes to the general ledger. The general ledger is collection of all accounts used in the accounting system. And then we go to the trial balance. a trial balance is created to ensure that the debits and credits in the general ledger are balanced. This is done by adding up all the debits balance and all the credit balance and comparing them. And the last one, at the end of the accounting period, typically monthly or yearly, the business will prepare financial statement that summarize its financial activities during that period. This statement typically include the income statement, balance sheet, cash or financial position. I will show you how the business recorded its financial transaction. So this is the actually manual bookkeeping method. First of all, Puan Nashaz created the cash book. In this cash book, she recorded the cash sales. For your information, this company running the sales by cash only. So then this is the payment of the March 2023 by cash only. Puan Nashaz sometimes purchase the raw materials by cash. So she recorded in the payment on the cash book. And the end of the month, Puan Nashaz create the double entry, which means the sales of March 2023 total 24,130. So she deposit the amount to the bank account. And then this is the purchase book. Purchase book means all the raw material purchased on credit. So she record the transaction in the purchase book. So this purchase book show you the account payable like Jati Baking ingredients, Baker's Choice ingredient store, and King In's Neighborhood. So this is the total of all the raw material purchased in credit. Total 1,500. And then after this cash book and purchase book created, Puan Nashaz create the double entry of the transaction lah. For the first March, she bought 50,000 cash and 25,000 into the business, and some renovation and maintenance, chiller and freezer, furniture, drawing, and pay salary to the staff. After the general entry was created, she moved to the general ledger. So for your information, this is the table how the depreciation of asset. The cost use full life per year, 3 years, depreciation per year, and this is the depreciation for amount. Then we move to the general ledger. So this is the general ledger of Nashaz Bakery Enterprise. The fittings and machine, furniture, office equipment. So to create the trial balance, all of the total in this general ledger will added to the trial balance. So for this, we add on the debit part lah. And this is the ledger of bank. First March capital, we debit the capital 50,000, then do the renovation, credit back 5,000, fittings and machine, drawing, and pay staff salary and so. So after all this ledger has been done, we add the amount to the trial balance. So this is the trial balance for Nashaz Bakery on March 2023. The amount must be balanced at the debit and credit lah. After the trial balance done, we move to the statement income, which means profit and loss statement. So the revenue for March 2023, 24,180. The income, we don't have other income. Sorry, Puan Nashaz don't have other income because she focused on fish sales only, no platform online. Then for the sales, we minus the cost of sales, which is raw material purchase and inventory. Then this is the gross profit for March, 13,280. We minus the expenses. This is the all expenses for March 2023 for Nashaz Bakery. And the net profit is 2,201.67 cents. So after the profit and loss has been done, Nashaz prepared the financial position lah, which is all the current, all the asset, non-current asset and current asset. Non-current asset like office equipment, furniture, freezer, fittings, and van. This amount we added from the trial balance. Okay. Then we total at the end. Plus current asset like cash, bank, plus and net lah. So this is the total amount for financial position for Nashaz Bakery. This amount must be same and balanced for the owners and liability. Yeah, that's all. And then we move to the effect of the business recording. Strength and weakness lah. So for the strength, it reduce cost. It will reduce the business cost better than buy the accounting software. So the budget can be used on other planning business. Second, financial control. It helps in monitoring and tracking expenses, revenues, and assets, allowing businesses to identify areas of improvement, detect fraud, and maintain the accountability. So for the weakness of business recording, high probability for the business owners to spend on business cash personal use. This is the most worrying weakness. Since Puan Nashaz does her own business accounting, she might be tempted by the amount of money that she handled and try to use it for the personal use. Second, recording of information may not be accurate. Since Puan Nashaz just have the basic accounting knowledge, error in the accounting may occur due to lack of knowledge. So that's all from me and my team. Thank you.